Want to subscribe to Tinder Gold or Plus? Here's how to add a payment method. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. You can see the settings icon here at the top right corner. Tap on it. Scroll down until you see Manage Payment Account. Once you find it, tap on it. Now tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. Once you tap it, enter your details and tap Submit. Tinder might ask you for more details to confirm. Now a payment method will be added to your Tinder account. If your payment does not go through, check your bank settings or try using a different card. And that's it, a payment method is added to your Tinder. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.